Really?
Harry,
It's busting.
Anna, you like it?
Yeah.
Mila,
Yeah.
you like it, mommy? Wagwan guys, welcome back to White Brown's Kitchen. And today we have a 4-pound chicken. We're gonna make some brown stew chicken, you know what I mean? For the youth them. I'm gone to school, so we'll prepare a nice meal. As them come home, them can get something to eat. You know what I mean? We're gonna cut him up, wash him off, and season him down to the bone. So what's going on now? Yam people nice and pretty, well wash off with the vinegar and lime. Nice and pretty. Now we're gonna add the season and put it for marinate. Alright, we're add those 6 cloves of garlic. You can add any amount you want. This a man me love my garlic. But you can add any amount you want. You add some green thyme, some pepper. I use green pepper because I know they use them and they don't like the pepper. And yeah, we add the onion. Yeah man, chop it up. Nice. Yeah man, we add some pimento berry, aka pimento seed. You know what I mean? Rub it in, like rubbing more herbs them first. Alright, my people, so we're gonna fry up right now. We're gonna fry them up. Give them like 10 minutes on each side. Then we'll cook them down with the seasoning what we use to season it up. Yeah. Okay, finish frying up the people so it's nice and beautiful. So I take out them rest, then I put it in the season with garlic and onion and put them in and cook him now. Alright, my people, finish fry up and thing. I gotta add back the garlic. We use season it, garlic and onion and thyme, and add it back in the pot. Then we add some carrot and Irish and cook it down nice. Okay guys, after about 15 minutes, time for adding up Irish, carrot and some sweet pepper. So I'm gonna add in the carrot and Irish and make it come down for like my next 15 minutes. Okay guys, look at that, so beautiful. The aroma, trust me, nice. I give it like about 15 more minutes, then take it off and share. What tastes Jaden?
Oh, real.
Ari,
It's busting.
Anna, you like it?
Yeah.
Mila,
Yeah.
you like it, mommy?